how to delete passwords on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete passwords on Samsung internet browser. First then open the browser and then just click these three lines here in the bottom corner and click settings and scroll down. Here you will find personal browsing data and then just click this one, delete browsing data, and deselect all and select passwords. And now all you need to do is just click delete data, it will be deleted. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.